Action.
Well, thank you everybody for joining us once again for another wonderful episode of Inside the President's Cabinet. See you next time.
Cut. Back.
With a barbecue or something. Sure, that's completely different. But the White House on fire? Oh my gosh, completely engulfed in flame. Did you know that the White House was burned down? Here, right now, pick it up. And the guy's walking out of the Oval Office with his, just a second, turn around. Come here. You actually think somebody could read all through that? And that, here's what we're gonna do from now on. I want an abbreviated list. We're gonna call it the President's